Hello everyone, this is Will the Trill here. So, this has been going on and off in my mind for quite a while now. I have this feeling, this strong feeling, that just somewhere out there, somewhere in this country, or maybe even Canada, I don't know, just somewhere out there, I got this feeling that there is this older person out there that has hoarded air conditioners, bought them brand new, but never ever used them. This person just bought them but never used them. He had that habit for 30 years, at least 30 years. And he happened to just buy a whole bunch of these air conditioners and just never use them. Just left them in the box, just stored them, never used them. Just somewhere out there, there's this person that just hoarded these air conditioners, bought them brand new, starting in the 50s and ending in the mid-80s. That his basement, his garage, and even his shed is stacked up to the ceiling with boxes of air conditioners that were never, ever used. I hope this is true. It's just this feeling I'm having right now that's been going on in my head for a couple of years, that just somewhere out there, there is a person that has, there's a strong possibility that have hoarded air conditioners of all kinds from the 50s throughout the 80s. Just stored away, hoarded in his basement, his garage, and even shed. Just stacked the boxes that were never opened of air conditioners from the 50s throughout the 80s. Just stacked all the way up to the ceiling, filling the entire basement, the entire garage, almost the whole perimeter from the floor to the ceiling. Just somewhere out there. Just hundreds and hundreds of new old stock air conditioners from the 50s throughout the 80s. Just hoarded in this person's house. I got this feeling that it's possible that this person's out there somewhere. That there is a person out there somewhere, a strong possibility that has hoarded, just bought them fresh from the store, but just stored them away. Never opened the boxes, never plugged them in. I got this feeling I may be right. Just out there somewhere. Somewhere out there. I think I'm right. I hope I'm right. Just out there somewhere. I don't know. Because if there is, and the person passed away, and the house comes up, property comes up for sale, and then whatever, like the kids or family members don't know what to do with all these air conditioners, these hundreds of air conditioners, like in their boxes, never used. They wouldn't know what to. All of us air conditioner collectors would have a field day with that place. Like getting as many as possible until the house is empty of the units. I hope I'm right. I think I'm right. but I hope I am. I hope so. I hope I'm right. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe. Don't forget to always love.